Hi, my name is Ed, and today I'd like to talk to you about anti-reflective coating on glasses and how to maintain them well. Anti-reflective coating is a series of layers that is applied to the back and front surface of a lens, or sometimes just at the back of the lens if the lens is polarized. The purpose of no-glare coating is to help reduce the amount of reflections on the lens and allow more light to pass through your prescription lenses. Reducing glare is beneficial for many reasons. Not only does anti-reflective coating eliminate reflections that others may see on the surface of your lens, but also greatly reduces the glare you see on computer screens or lights on the road when you're driving at night from fluorescent light indoors. Now, if you happen to work in a dusty or relatively dirty environment, anti-reflective coating is not recommended. If you're not sure if your glasses have anti-reflective coating, position yourself in a well-lit room. Place your glasses on a table or a shelf and step back about 2 or 3 feet. Look at your lenses, moving your head slightly from side to side, up and down, to catch the light from different angles. If you can clearly see through the lenses to whatever is behind them, picking only minor or sporadic reflections at different angles, your glasses are most likely already treated with anti-reflective coating. If you cannot clearly see through your lenses because light flashes and reflects, giving them a mirror-like finish, then your lenses are non-anti-reflective coated. If you have an anti-reflective coating, there will be a bit of glare, but mostly of greenish or pinkish in color. You will also notice that if there is nothing truly bright like an overhead light trying to reflect off of the lens, it appears quite clear. If you don't have anti-reflective coating, the glare will appear the same color as the light reflecting, often white, and reflections will be strong. No matter where you hold your glasses, reflections will be apparent. It's important to take good care of your lenses with anti-reflective coating. Make sure you clean your anti-reflective coating lenses wet by running them through lukewarm water and drying them with a lint-free cloth. Spray lens cleaner onto both sides of the lenses and gently wipe dry with soft cloth included in the package. To order this cleaning kit, simply visit the URL on screen. Please keep in mind, using dry cloth will likely rub any grit into the coating and likely scratch the coating off of your lenses. Also, make sure not to use any harsh chemicals on your glasses. Hopefully this video informed you on the benefits of anti-reflective coated lenses and how to maintain them well. Thank you very much for watching.